NXT Los Angeles. About to head up on stage for the Project 10. I won $1,000 that got me here to LA, got me to NXT LA. I'm about to go on stage with all these winners that have done an awesome job. You can have it too, and not only that, you get the cool shirt, a chance at $1,000, and they'll even give a free bag to kids that are battling obesity. You can do this too. You can have this too. Woo! This place is electric. It's pumped up. It's awesome. Woo! 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 1,000 winners. Woo! Won 1,000. You can see Rachel. Yeah, thanks.
So we have a project winner in here. Who lost it and won
I lost 150 pounds. Our family has lost 497 pounds. 16 of us on the challenge. Woo!
Congratulations.
Woo, that was awesome.